Even on an ugly day like today, we still have to push hard to get everything ready for our brick masons and block masons that'll be here in just a couple days. Now, we want to make sure that they're hitting the ground running, and the last thing we have to do is to finish all of the footings in this area, which is the breezeway that ties the garage into the main house. We have to pour these footings, then the block mason will have to block up to create 3 different levels to provide that transition to the inside. Now, that's some fairly complicated block work, but nothing compares to the task he has ahead of him in tying the old bricks in with the new bricks right on this side. Hope the weather's a lot better. When it does clear up, our masonry contractor, Truett Chapman, and his crew go to work beginning on the street side where the old meets the new. To further conceal any transition point here, he's using the bricks we salvaged off the back of the house a few weeks ago.
Says Decatur, Birmingham, Stevenson Brick Company.
After we found new bricks that matched the ones on the existing house, one of our big concerns was matching the original mortar. But our brick distributor had a solution.
You know, the mortar companies they can match the color of
Right.
your shirt if they need to.
Yeah.
So they've got 100 different colors. I can get with my mortar rep, maybe have him come out and look at it.
You
and
can,
see if
because
they
I mean,
match.
every job's important, but the level of exposure that this one's getting, we've got to have it flawless. So as quickly as Truett's helpers can mix the mortar, he and the other masons began laying the bricks.